Welcome to Weight Loss Wizard.
The most important and simple tip is to control the portions you eat. Don't starve yourself. You can still eat enough. Hey guys, today we are going to cover the subject of gaining and losing weight. But listen, this is going to be really important, so before we get into it, I just want to say something very important. Never feel like you have to force yourself to change your body. You have already changed it. You are beautiful just the way you are. As an older sister about to graduate from her teen years, I completely understand how to feel these insecurities, comparing yourself to others. Trust me, I have been through it. My weight went up and down. Sometimes my face looked plump. Sometimes I didn't recognize myself. It's all normal. Remember, everybody is different, and that's what makes us special. If you are thinking about losing some weight, you should do so because you love yourself and want to feel better, not because you think you need to change yourself. We are not here for these crazy hard diets and intense workouts. No, I'm here as your rhino to give you some really healthy and easy to follow advice. We intend to keep fun, easy and totally doable because you have the right to feel your best without pressure. So let's start with food. Let's talk about food first. I'm not going to tell to cut back on their favorite treats or skip meals. No, we don't care about this life. Instead, focus on incorporating more goodness into what you're already eating. Think more fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Protein fills you up and gives you energy. It also helps build muscle. You can get it from chicken, tofu, eggs, beans, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil and more. These fats make your meals filling and delicious. A whole grain diet with vegetables, oats, quinoa, brown rice and lots of colorful vegetables. These foods will give you energy and make you feel full without feeling heavy. You don't have to change everything. Just making these small changes will make a difference. And baby, listen to your body. I'm so hungry. Eat something when you're hungry. Eat when it's time. That's it. It's called mindful eating, being kind to your body and not punishing it. And it's absolutely okay to have that pizza or chocolate. It's about balance. Balance, love your food, but watch the portions. Instead of eating a huge bag of chips, grab a small bowl and enjoy. It's all about food to enjoy without overdoing it. Some funny exchanges with can also help. For example, white bread with whole grain lemonade and soda fruit, or regular chips and baked chips. These small changes will give you a total goal of without feeling like you are missing out on your goal. Instead of setting a big goals like, I want to lose 10 pounds and I need to focus on smaller, more realistic goals. Like I want to lose 10 pounds, consciousness on smaller practical desires. Perhaps it s ingesting extra greens this week or on foot. Some instances every week. We are right here for long time period. Health now, no longer short fixes. It is all approximately making adjustments. You could absolutely stick movement to now with regards to transferring your frame. Overlook approximately loopy exercises that sense like punishment. We are now no longer doing that right here. What we're going to do is locate something you revel in, whether or not it is dancing to your room. Consider me that as a exercise, going for a stroll, gambling, your favorite recreation, or maybe simply doing a little sit-back yoga. The factor is to transport your frame in a manner that makes you sense accurate. Upload a touch power education if you could, like squats, push-ups or resistance bands. This facilitates you construct muscle and sense robust. And do not forget, relaxation days are simply as critical. Your frame wishes time to get better, so do not sense responsible. Approximately taking a smash motion have to sense amusing, now no longer a chore. I want to remind you of something splendid, critical. Everyone's frame is extraordinary. A few humans advantage weight of their tummy, others of their hips or palms, and bet what it is all body. Every day your frame is your frame and nobody else's, so do not ever evaluate yourself to others, particularly humans you notice on social media. Consider maximum of these images are edited or filtered. All of us appearance extraordinary, and that is what makes us particular. My frame modified all of the time, all through my teenage years, and it is completely for yours to do. The water, same thing. Next time, water. You've probably heard this phrase a million times, but it's true. Drinking enough water does wonders for your body. You'll feel more energized, your skin will glow, and your body's overall functioning will improve. Make water your best friend forever. Well, here's the secret. Carry a cute water bottle with you everywhere you go. You'll be amazed at how much more water you can drink just by having it on hand. Plus, drinking it throughout the day will make you feel great and help with everything from energy to clearer skin. If you don't like pure water, add some flavor to it. Slice up some fruit like strawberries, lemons, or cucumbers and add them to your water for a refreshing taste. Trust me, it makes a difference in your sleep, stress, and health. This may be too simple, but trust me, sleep and stress management play a big role when it comes to your health. Lack of sleep affects your hormones and makes it harder to maintain a healthy weight. So, try to get 7-9 hours of sleep every night. I know about stress too. School, friendships, social media, there may be a lot of things, but instead of turning to junk food or unhealthy habits when you feel stressed, try things like journaling, meditating, or taking a few deep breaths. Sometimes just talking to someone you trust can help. Celebrate the small successes. It's easy to want instant results, but real change takes time. They won't do it. You'll experience dramatic changes overnight, and that's okay. The best thing you can do is celebrate the small successes along the way. Whether it's just feeling stronger, feeling like you have more energy, or noticing that you're treating your body with more love, remember that progress isn't just about weight. The number on the scale represents how you feel in your skin, how much energy you have, and how confident you are. By taking it slow, being kind to yourself, and focusing on your health in a balanced way, know that you are doing something great. Outro. Well, that's it for today's video, dear ones. I hope this gives you a little more confidence and inspires you to take care of a healthy body. Remember that there is no need to rush on a sustainable path. There is no race. You are accomplishing great things just by being there for yourself. If you have any questions or just want to chat, leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.